Okay, so the next phase that I want to do while the angles and the fills are drying up a little bit is I want to go ahead and run the screws. So we can run the screws by hand, show you that in another video, but you can also use a nail spotter or a screw spotter. Now there's two of these, there's a 2-inch and a 3-inch. I opted to buy the 3-inch just because the 2-inch wasn't available and I needed this for a job that I had. But the way you can do it is you can run one down the middle, one on one side, one to the other side, offset a little bit so you don't build up too much. Now the way I'm going to fill this up is I'm going to be using a pump. This I think I got off of Al's Tools, but this is a little pump and I primed it by putting it in the water. I pumped it up a little bit. The way this works is I'm going to pump that mud into the mouth of this, and on the top of this there's a little blade just like it would be on one of my knives, right? It's a blade. So the idea is you're pushing out the mud from the back, and as you're pulling down, you're pushing and pulling down, it's filling in all the nail spots, and then this little part is wiping it. Okay, so let me fill that up and then we'll go from there. So much faster than doing it by hand. Anything that's sticking out, it'll sound like railroad tracks. You go back, you screw those in, but yeah, way faster than by hand.